For the best in safety relays and controllers to monitor devices that protect your staff from accident and injury, make sure you look at the Banner range, which is available from Turck. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. Banner has a wide variety of devices to meet your needs, from safety relay modules that monitor a single safety input device to controllers that deal with more than 390 inputs. Banner's safety controllers, a backbone of a complex safety system, monitor multiple safety and non-safety inputs and include expandable options to scale up to your needs. Many of Banner's safety devices come with in-series diagnostics, an innovative communication protocol that makes it easier to troubleshoot machine safety systems and prevent faults. Banner's range is complemented by Turck's IP67 to IP69K field-mountable safety controllers. And of course, for more information, visit turck.com.au, and thank you for watching.